Hi fans, I'm Yan. Thank you to watching our company video. We mainly produce and sell caustic soda, including caustic soda flakes, caustic soda pulse, caustic soda liquid, and our annual production volume is over 100,000 tons. We are the origin of the majority caustic soda factories, such as Zhongtai, Tianye, Binhua, and so on. We have more than 10 years of export experience, and we can supply you high quality products and professional service. We also export other products like calcium carbide, sodium bicarbonate, PVC, SPC, STPP, and other chemical products. You can visit our website to see the detail. Our annual export volume is about 16,000 tons to Yunnan, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Mali, Guinea, Ghana, Togo, Brazil, Peru, Chile, and more than 100 countries. About products from producing, testing, transportation to seaport loading, we have the professional people to support the full process through visual service and ensure the shipments are sent out fastly and safely. Welcome to contact us. We will reply you at the first time. Thank you.